This is my work in progress Phantom in 1:48 scale from Tamiya, and as you can see it has a very prominent feature that is not available out of the box. In this video I'm going to explain what and how. Well, first I hacked it open. It is awesome that Tamiya made the covers separate detail, which means that the cutting is much easier. What also makes cutting easier is when the fuselage halves are glued together. This area of the Phantom houses a maze of fuel and hydraulic pipes and some wires. Underneath all of that live 6 fuselage fuel cells. The cover for the weapons guidance system bay will need a small modification too, and the plastic where the tail starts will need to be thinned down. Next up, you have to visit my digital goods shop, link in the description below, and get the file. Print it at home or use a 3D printing service. You can scale it up or down as you see fit, which means that you can use this detail in different scales and kits. After the curing, I applied a layer of black surface primer and then interior green. In my test prints, I noticed that the part shrinks over time, so I recommend to paint it and glue it as soon as possible. The supports removal should be done very carefully, as usually the resin is rather brittle. You can choose to remove the supports before the curing, which is easier, but then there is a risk of warping. Also, wear some eye protection because those things fly. I highly recommend to do dry fit tests and make the opening as suitable for the part as possible before you commit to the glue. As far as glue goes, I used regular CA glue, but I think it will be beneficial to use slower curing CA glue and tape the detail in place while the glue cures. Then all you need to do is to have a great time detail painting and weathering. One amazing reference book I can wholeheartedly recommend is Uncovering the US Navy Phantoms from Daku Publications. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, happy modeling fellas!